Hey, here is a short tutorial on how to view class data as a whole class or for individual students in Bookopolis. As a teacher, when you log in, you will be taken to My Dashboard, where you will see the classes that you've created. If you click into a class, you'll see on the quick links ways that you can add more students, monitor student work, or view a class snapshot or popular books. So this one, we're going to talk about viewing a class snapshot. So you'll put in for a given date range. If you click Update Data, you'll see for the total class, here's how many books were read, reviewed, pages read, and minutes read if students were filling out the reading log for that date range. You can then click all or any combination of bookshelves, books that students have read already, they want to read, or they're currently reading from their Bookopolis My Bookshelves, and then search for that. And you'll see for individual students, here's how many books they read, reviewed, pages read, minutes read. So you can export this data and it'll show up in an Excel file. And this is just a quick way that you can see in a given date range how many books, pages, minutes your students are reading. Another thing that you can see about your class is what books are most popular. And we added this feature after feedback from many teachers saying they wanted to know what books were most popular. Again, you can select all shelves, or maybe you just want to see books that your students are currently reading. So click the shelves that you want and then click Search. And you'll see the list of books and how many students. And if you scroll over, you'll see exactly which students are reading this book. You can click into the book and find out the level information, the summary, see other reviews of students in Bookopolis or the students in your class easily for that book. But this is a great way to keep a pulse on what your students are reading, as well as notice if there's any trends of books you need to read because everyone is reading it, or maybe seeing that your students are mostly reading a certain genre and need to be nudged to read other genres. So there's a few ways that you can use the data to help you see what your students are reading. If you have other suggestions on how we can serve up data to you to meet your needs, please let us know. Thanks so much. Happy reading.